Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing a starter in the Ranger. The starter shit out on me, but we got a new one and there's only 2 bolts. It's pretty easy, so we'll show you guys how to do it. Let's bust the rover. We're on the mat.
I'm an actual idiot.
What'd you grab?
I grabbed the shallow 14 when it's a 13. I just had the other 14. I said it was a 13, and then I grabbed the shallow 14.
She's loyal.
So there's 1 bolt, as you can see. So there, first you gotta take this nut off, take that off, then you can get access to the bolt there. And there's 1 up there. I don't know if they can see it yet. No.
Oh, it's kind of up there. Let's see if it is.
Oh, she's fucking loose as
Oh
a
yeah, I can see it.
goose on a Wednesday night.
It's just past there.
There's that one there. Should only be 2. And if she's anything like this one's pretty loyal. So all these bolts came out really easy so far. I'm gonna see if I can get my thick gun in there and zap it out quicker though. Holy dude, not that much room under here. It's kind of cold too, not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's freezing.
Alright, let's see if we can. Can we snipe? It's gonna fall on.
You
I
want me
don't
to
want
hold
it to
it?
fall on me. Yeah, hold it.
Do you have a rag? I guess it's too
Yeah,
late.
well, just we got stuff you can wipe your hands with after. Are you just asking if you got rags out here in the road right now? Okay, so. Okay. She's a bit oiled up, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, she's a bit loose.
She's a bit greasy.
Just a little bit greasy, as you can see.
Back part off. Okay. So that's good for now.
Okay, so it's out.
Yeah.
Mostly.
You gotta get the cable off now. Use the power. Can't see anything, dude.
That's your ground.
It's the mint show. It's got it. I'm really
where's
making
the
out
other
with the
one?
Ranger right now.
Where's the other one?
Ow! It's on the far side.
Are you like a rapper?
It's loose. Loose as a goose on the side. Okay, can we like spin this thing or? I really can't see on the other side. Oh, what about through the top? What if he goes?
Maybe.
Okay, so as you guys can see, we made the starter do a backflip. So now the wires are facing us. So if you can see the wires,
Yeah.
they're right there. There's a black and a red. So I'm gonna bust those 2 off. But I need all the room I can get, so it'll be hard to show you guys. Spy, moonlight. I don't want to eat any of this grease right in my throat hole right now. It's a no-go for. Oh.
Oh! Where'd my eye? Look at this.
Look at this. The whole thing's.
What?
That ain't right. Oh, I'm fucking dodging shit, dude. There you go.
Just gotta send her.
Oh, she's a grease. The grease one, man. Like, what's with the grease? Grease lightning under here. Okay, where's the. Oh, there we go. Now she's just mint.
So she's loose?
This one is. Dude. Fucking right in the throat, man. Okay, I'm going for just feeling now. I can't get my head up that long. Look at that. I'm gonna have to look.
Use this.
I'm not even spinning it. Oh, no, I was. No, I wasn't. I'm just an idiot. Just mark me down as an idiot. Oh. Right, she's gone. This is just a slow one. Holy. Just look at my finger now.
Your finger looks like you shoved it up your ass.
she's fucking cold out here too. Holy, you guys have no clue. We're in a blizzard right now. Look at that, cacas. Holy. Like today, please? There you go. Come on, send me home. There we go. Oops. Shit's flying everywhere. Okay, there's one. It's a bit greasy, so you may want to spray that with some brake clean. Alright, so the old one's out. Just greasy. And then we got the new one. You guys always want to put them side by side, make sure they're right. And these ones are
Exactly the same. Positive, or yeah, that's the positive, and this is the ground here.
No, that.
Or this.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, something like that. Negative,
So-
positive.
That's just the bolt that holds the starter.
Yeah.
Those two go into the back of the solenoid.
Okay, yeah. Something
Those
like
two, yeah.
How far?
So Dawson's just tightening the connections up. But if you can reach down through here, so it's easier with two people. I was using my arm and just holding the starter up for him so he could get the perfect spot to tighten everything. And we just got that, so he's... Look at that guy. He has no clue what he's doing. So he's getting those connections. So we got the two started. I just gotta tighten it up. Turbo. That's how you do it. Just give her some persuasion.
Yeah, with a.
And so when you guys put this starter in, you'll know it's in because it'll line up perfect. Like it'll kind of sink into a little groove. Then they'll just both line up. You shouldn't have to force it. Like you shouldn't have to put the screws in and then tighten it in because then you'll just that's doing it wrong. So I'm just getting this top one. I might have to. I'm just gonna send her with the old Speedster over here so I can get her in there. There we go. That's why you need the power speed, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, that one's tight. And this one's about to be mint. That one's tight. And now you're gonna want to throw your ground back. Mentozoidium. And this nut. That should be, we should be able to fire it up now for this guy's one. Ooh, let's look at the speed though. Look at the speed though. Where's the speed? Speed. There it is. Okay, so we'll leave it there, and then we'll grab this guy. All right. So she's in now. Let's go see if she fires. You go. Tighten this one because it doesn't get a good connection when it's loose. Like my sieve. Okay. Here's the test. Oh, baby, send me.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
That's the connection.
Minor setback.
Minor one here. Connection flew off, so at least it wasn't the starter. But I already knew that because I'm the same.
It's just the battery. Turn it up a bit.
The only thing with this Ranger is that the connection is like really tight there, so we're just gonna
Just clean her up with one of these guys.
you can get
Battery
them at
cleaner.
corner stores too.
Ah!
You grab a 10?
10 wrench?
Because I gotta put this back in. So see if the thing even starts.
10 wrench. Where are you?
For wrench and your wrench is like. Learn how to pass the tools. She's not even a 10, dude. She's an
What?
She's an 11.
No!
No. This isn't a 10.
Son,
This isn't a 10.
what do you need?
Okay, put that back though.
You
Grab the 11.
You said.
I know, I said 10. It was an honest mistake.
You got it on cam. Like,
Yeah, I know, I've been exposed.
leave a like in the comments.
Being an
Leave
idiot.
a like in the comments.
Type like in the comments.
Type like in the comments here.
Okay, so the only thing is I don't want to be zapping. Zappy, McZapperton.
13. Batteries connected.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Alright guys, thanks for watching how to install the starter. It's not too bad, you can definitely do it at home. We did it in my garage. Took
like an
it's
hour.
really cold. So yeah, just this is a core, so if you guys don't know what core means, it just means they take, like this is $60, they take $60 extra, and then once you give them the old starter back, they give you the $60. So I don't know if you guys know that, but that's how it works. Not with all of them, but with some of them. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, we'll answer anything. If you guys like our videos, leave a like. If you guys want to see more, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1 million likes in a week and subs. Alright, thanks guys, I'll see you later.